How is an Irish Ceili different from other social dance events? Imagine stepping into a lively room filled with music, laughter, and movement. That's what an Irish Ceili is all about. It's a special kind of dance gathering rooted in Irish culture and tradition. Unlike many social dance events that focus on couples or solo performances, a Ceili brings people together in big groups. The dances are often performed in circles, lines, or squares, making it easy for everyone to join in. The music that drives these dances is played on traditional Irish instruments like the fiddle, bodhrán, flute, and concertina. These instruments create lively rhythms that encourage dancers to move and respond in real time. What makes a Ceili stand out is its focus on community and shared experience. The dance steps are usually called out during the event, so even newcomers can follow along easily. The dances are lively but relaxed, allowing people of all ages and skill levels to participate. This is different from Irish step dancing, which is more performance-based and involves intricate footwork with minimal arm movement. Set dancing, another Irish style, involves couples performing fixed patterns, but the steps and style are different from the free-flowing nature of a Ceili. The cultural roots of a Ceili are deep. It's more than just dancing. It's a way to celebrate Irish heritage through music and movement. The term Ceili is pronounced Ceili and is used specifically for these social gatherings. Similar events happen in Scotland called Ceilis, but Irish Ceilis have unique dances like the Walls of Limerick or the Waves of Torry that reflected Irish stories and traditions. When you attend a Ceili in Ireland, you get a chance to experience authentic Irish music and dance firsthand. These events are often held in community halls, pubs, or festivals, and the atmosphere is welcoming and friendly. Dancers often change partners, and the music responds to the energy of the crowd. The traditional Irish instruments play a big role, creating a lively soundtrack that keeps everyone moving. So, if you want to truly connect with Irish culture, joining a Ceili is a perfect way to dance, listen, and celebrate together.